Example 8.7. The population standard deviation of the age of Foothill College student is 15 years. So population standard deviation is denoted by sigma, and that is 15. If we want to be 95% confidence, so we want 95% confidence level that the sample mean age is within 2 years of the true population mean age. So we're talking about the error, okay? The error, and the key word we know is an error. To identify the error is the word within. If you see the word within 2, that is telling you error is 2. Now in the textbook, it make it specific, okay? It's the error bound for the mean. And you also see EBP, and that is the error bound for proportion. But in our case, we're dealing with the mean, okay? We want the mean to be within 2 years. And now the question is, how many randomly selected Foothill College students must be surveyed? So the question is asking us to find how many, okay? N. N is a sample size. So we have a sample size problem. So we need to find it. And it's about the population mean, okay, mu. So we will need to use this formula, N equal Z, the Z-score, times sigma divided by the error, and then you put the whole thing square. Now in the textbook, it's written as Z square times sigma square divided by E, B, M square. They are equivalent, okay? So instead of square everything individually, we square the whole thing all at once because everything is square. So it's also in general in the real world, you will see different notation. Like EBM instead of E is completely fine. They denote the same thing. The definition is the same. It's an error bound. And the key word you need to look up is just within. Okay, how much error? Okay, what error are you willing to take? That's all. So now we plug in the formula. So N equal. Now because we want a 95% confidence level, and 95% confidence level always associate with a Z-score of 1.96. So you will plug in 1.96 for the Z-score, and then you do a multiplication. Sigma, what is sigma? Which is 15, the population standard deviation is given to us. And then you divide it by the error bound. Error is within 2, so the number is 2. And then you square the whole thing. Now you should come up with a number in your calculator, 216.09. And you don't round it to 216. Okay, it's not just rounding. When we have a sample size problem, we always round up. And it's very important you understand what round up means. Okay, you don't just round, you round up. Meaning if you need to survey 216.09 per person, right, people, you can't count half of a person. It's one extra person. So you will just need to survey 217 people in order to make your error to be within 2.